Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense. We break down grammar, teach you useful phrases, and with over 1,000 videos, there's always something new to learn. Whether it's for school, work, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. New lessons every week, if not every day, so hit subscribe and join the community. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together, one English lesson at a time.
Demonstrative pronouns. So the first word is pronounced this. Repeat after me. This. This. So it's singular form. And the second word is pronounced these. These. Because the students, they pronounce the first word and the second word the same way. They pronounce both of them this. No, it's not correct. So the first one, the first demonstrative pronoun, this, is pronounced this. And its plural is these. These. Today we are going to practice just these two words. We use this is to introduce people that are near to the speaker in singular form. I repeat, we use this to show that the people or that the people are near to the speaker. Let's see some examples. We use the word this to point out or to show that a person, an animal, or a thing is near to the speaker. So it's very clear. So when we have people or animals or things that are near to the speaker, in the singular form we use this. This. Example. This is a sun. So look at this word, this. This is a sun. This is a sun. The second example, or the second slide, or the next slide. This is my son. This is my son. So my son is near me. Near me. We use the word these. These is the plural of this, to point out or to show that people, animals, or things are near to the speaker. Very near to the speaker. Let's see. These are sons. So the pronunciation of the first word is these, and it's not this. These, it's the plural of this. These are sons. These are sons. These are my sons. These are my sons. Let's see and practice more example of this is and these are to improve your English. This is a son. This is a daughter. This is a boy. This is a girl. This is a book. This is a pen. So all these people or things are near me. Let's continue. So this is my son. This is your son. This is his son. This is her son. This is our son. This is their son. Let's go to the next slide. This is my son is singular form. We are going to put this sentence in the plural form. So the plural of this is these. The plural of is are. The plural of my is my. So my doesn't change. My, your, his, her, our, your, their don't change. These words don't change. So they remain the same. And the plural of son, sons. So this is my son, the plural. These are my sons. Because we are going to practice this is in the singular form and these are in the plural form. These are sons. These are daughters. These are girls. These are boys. These are books. These are pens. So let's practice them. Now, these are my sons. These are my sons. These are your sons. These are his sons. These are her sons. These are our sons. These are their sons. Let's practice them. Let's continue. This is my daughter. This is your father. This is his mother. This is her brother. This is our sister. This is their uncle. Let's go to the next slide. These are my daughters. These are your fathers. So some people, they say we have just one father. No. So some people, they have the biological father, and the father adopts them, the father helps them. So we have many fathers. We can have many fathers. These are his mothers. So also we can have more than one mother. So we have the biological mother, and we can the mother who educate us, who adopt us, etc. So we have these mothers and these fathers. These are her brothers. These are our sisters. These are their uncles. Let's go to the next slide. This is my grandfather. This is your grandmother. This is his grandson. This is her granddaughter. This is our niece. This is their nephew. Let's continue. Let's go to the next slide. So now in the plural form, these are my grandfathers. So grandfathers, because we have a grandfather from the side of the mother and grandfather from the side of the father. These are your grandmothers. The same, grandmothers from the side of the father and grandmother from the side of the mother. These are his grandsons. These are her granddaughters. These are our nieces. These are their nephews. Let's continue. This is my friend. This is your teacher. This is his doctor. This is her lawyer. This is our neighbor. This is their relative.